Um, Judith, why don't you intro us to our last and final application?
Of course. So our last application is Hop Hop Hooray, which is an online platform where users can practice their programming skills by solving different algorithms, leveling up along a leaderboard throughout the way.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Becca, and these are my teammates, Avelina, Liz, and Lily, and we built Hop Hop Array to practice algorithms. So let's say Sally here is a recent bootcamp grad who is trying to ace those technicals coming up. Now, nothing she's used in the past has worked quite as well as Hop Hop Array, so this is the perfect platform for her. So now she's able to practice with us and level up in our program, unlock new problems, and also track her progress with us as well. Now, we really tried to stray from any sort of intimidating UI. We wanted it to be very fun and inviting. We also wanted the user to feel like they were getting challenged by these effective prompts, yet also supported by guidance when needed. So basically, we are Codewars, but cute. So to bring us to the walkthrough, here's Avelina.
Sally has some interviews coming up, so she needs to practice her algorithms. She's going to hophopperay.com. There are so many problems to choose from. She picks a level 1 to get started. On the left is the prompt and some examples. On the right is the code editor. It supports syntax highlighting, bracket matching, and IntelliSense. Now Sally will test her code. Here we could see that her solution is running. Looks like Sally has some errors. On the left, we could see her failed test. We could see what her code returned and what the test expected. This will help her refactor her code. On the right are her console outlogs for each test. This will help her debug her code. If Sally couldn't figure out the solution, she could click Give me a break. This would give her the solution, but she would not receive any points. But Sally's not ready to give up yet. She's going to try again. She got it, and this bunny is so supportive. Looks like she got 10 points for solving a level 1 problem. Now she could check her progress. Here, Sally could see her completed exercises, level, points, and a leaderboard. Sally's making great progress, and she's feeling optimistic. Now here's Liz with the project architecture.
Thanks, Avelina. Here you can see our tech stack and the tools we use to create Hop Hop Array. On the back end, we selected Postgres for our database to store our user and algorithm models. We selected this relational database because of the ease of creating associations, which was necessary to store specific information each time the user submits code to correspond with a specific algorithm. We selected Express because of the RESTful API, which was necessary to handle the load of requests and responses that came every single time a user submitted code. On the front end, we selected React and Redux to manage our state. We wanted a declarative, class-driven approach to manage our components. It was also beneficial to store the user information in the state as the user navigated through our website. One new technology we used was Docker. Every time the user submitted code, a new Docker container is created with that code along with Mocha test specs. The user code is run against the Docker test specs in that container. It was key that we used a Docker container as the isolated container prevented any malicious code attacks.
We knew that we would face challenges in this project, and we accounted for that through our agile practices. We implemented time and task management through our GitHub project board, in which we could analyze our progress and assign tasks that needed to be completed. We practiced effective communication in our daily stand-ups, which decreased merge conflicts and increased our productivity. The next steps for our app will be implementing a tournament feature, which builds off our established point system. Users will be able to compete against each other through practice algorithms, game points, and trophies. We would like to thank our instructors and our fellows. We are deployed here on hophopperay.com. Please feel free to hop on by and check out our progress. Thank you.
Wow, what an impressive application that I know all developers here at Full Stack and Grace Hopper are going to use. This was such an amazing group of projects to start off 2020. So let's give it up one more time for the Grace Hopper cohort of 1911. We'll see you all again in April.